Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you what's the best way to reach with Amazon support. It's been a couple of times I read posts online with people looking for a way to phone call the Amazon seller support, and it's not easy if you do that using the browser. Don't matter if you have a Chrome or Firefox or Explorer. Sometimes that option just does not exist. As you can see here, when I click on help, see, it was for 1 second, it was the image for contact support, but it disappeared. So it's an issue with Amazon. So Amazon is hiding that option from the browser. I don't know what the reason is, but it just is not possible. Not from here. Help. See here? In 1 second, contact and disappear. It just disappear. Okay? So, not a chance from the browser for me. That's why we go on plan B, which is the phone. Everybody has the application on the phone, right? Alright, then you have no problem at all. I show you how. On the other end, we have the Amazon seller phone application, which is another planet, because you just click on the top left side, and you go on contact seller support. Then you go, in my case I go fulfilled by Amazon, FBA issues, and voila, you can email, phone, or chat. Okay? If I click on chat now, I have a live chat, by the way, in 1 second. If I click on phone, I just enter my phone number or any phone number. Just remember, this is very important, because sometimes it may happen that you get the account suspended for some reason. And when you have the account suspended, this one won't work. Okay, so you go to somebody else, or you can ask a friend that has a Amazon seller account, and let's say Mario has a problem, and I'm here, I will enter his phone number. So as soon as I click on call me now, Mario will receive the phone call, and he will explain, okay, my account has been suspended, blah blah. Anyway, this is the easiest way to contact seller support with the Amazon seller phone application. In my case, I'm using BlueStacks, so I am on a desktop computer, as you can see, but the application is the same. It's the same as I am if I was on the phone. Let's say if I want to chat, I use the keyboard, the desktop keyboard. So, but that will be another tutorial. The purpose of today is to show you where these, how easy it is to find these on the phone application. So on the top left side, go on contact seller support. You choose fulfilled by Amazon, FBA issue, and you have option for email, phone, or chat, just like that. This will work all the time. If you put your phone number, they will call you in. Usually they take 3 seconds. As soon as I click on call me now, my phone ring. I never had issue with that. So this is the best way. If you go via browser, sometimes you may find the same option, but it's like gambling in that case. Okay? Alright. So Nico here will say hello and crash it to everyone, and have a good selling. Bye bye.